sisters and their parents are all scared of this day.
Before I start the salute video, I just want to tell you that if you don't like this, if you don't like this user, then I respect your opinion. Anyways, enjoy. Oh, give me a moment. Oh yeah. Smile Dog is a great dog. AUTTP. Yes. This user is awesome. Let me tell you some reasons why this user is awesome. One, he makes awesome videos. Two, he makes some YTP. He makes some fantastic YTP videos. Three, he makes videos of other kind. Four, he makes videos of people in real life. Five, he makes some grounded videos, but he doesn't make that much grounded videos, but that's okay. Seven, he makes good message videos to users he likes. 8, he makes gaming videos, and I do not know any other reasons why I like him, so I'll just leave it be. I hope this user doesn't get terminated, and I hope he stays on YouTube forever. And I will not be mad at this user forever. Do you know who likes this user? Batty Barney 1995, Company Cubic, Andy and some of the other users. And I like them as well. I have a lot. He subscribed to a lot of channels. But you know who hates this user? And I do not know who hates this user, so I'll just leave it be. So Smile Dog is a great pet. AUTTP is awesome. And so does Swamp Attack Crocodile. Note, if you don't like Swamp Attack Crocodile, then I respect your opinion. Even though Swamp Attack Crocodile still hates me, but I really like his channel. Zach Gujinase sucks. Note, if you like Zach Gujinase, then I respect your opinion. End of salute.